All right, Jason. Well, Christmas has come and gone, but thieves are on the prowl, searching high and low for your new gifts, guns, and expensive items.
The Hoover Police Department is now reinforcing a 9 p.m. ordinance after multiple car break-ins. WVTM 13's Bryce Oslin joins us live now. Bryce, how can people protect themselves from thieves?
Yeah, Guy Sherry, police reminding people to lock your car doors before heading in for the night. This message comes after they see more than a dozen cars broken into.
Total, we've discovered that there were 13 vehicles that were entered by these suspects. Not all of them were forcefully entered in it.
Hoover police responding to a string of car burglaries in the Burchell Ross Bridge apartments.
It's a good point here that actually the majority of the vehicles that they entered were unlocked.
A resident told police they saw suspects grabbing door handles of several cars in the complex. The suspects ran away, but police caught up with them shortly after. Arian Harrell, Diedrich Pegram, and a 17-year-old face charges of breaking and entering. Lieutenant Daniel Lowe says the suspects hope to receive more than just a joyride.
As far as stolen property, we're still sorting through, finding out exactly what was taken. We did recover some firearms that were stolen from these car break-ins as well.
Lieutenant Lowe says the department swiftly made the arrest due to officers patrolling the area. But next time, they may not be so lucky.
We have a campaign in the city of Hoover called the 9 p.m. routine. We encourage our citizens every night at 9 p.m. Make sure that your car door is locked. Make sure that all of your valuables, especially your firearms, are removed from your vehicles. Activate your exterior floodlights and activate your home surveillance system.
And police recommend hiding items in your car if you're unable to remove them. Live in Birmingham, Bryce Oslin, WVTM 13.
The Birmingham Police